Hello guys, this is a video about copyright with Suno AI. Many people ask about that, so as you can see I have credit. I'm actually subscribed. So when you are using the free version, the basic one where you don't pay, you are not allowed, no commercial use. Even here in the copyright section it says if you make music with the basic free plan, Suno is the owner of the songs. You are allowed to use it for songs for non-commercial purposes. So you are not allowed to use it. But if you pay even just the $8, the Pro plan or the Premier, as they say here, if you make songs while subscribed, you need to be subscribed. Okay, so for Pro or the other plan, you own the songs. The other, you are guaranteed for commercial use license to monetize the songs. So even here they say commercial use rights for songs made while subscribed. Again, remember, while subscribed. So you as soon as you cancel, you are not allowed to use them. Okay, so you always need to be. So as you can see, I have this plan. I actually had this plan. Now I'm switching to this plan because I need the commercial use rights. And yeah, also here the same. It doesn't matter this one or this one, but as soon as you have one of them, you are good to use any songs you want that you create, of course. That's it.